Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a funny story about one of my Uber passenger. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the views of Vancouver. But please don't forget to subscribe at Bessie Mabolo. It was a weekend morning and I was driving around picking up passengers. Most of them were just heading home after a night out with friends or sleeping over at someone's place. But then, I got a request from a passenger who had a pretty interesting story. So, watch till the end. You will hear it's really funny. So, he told me that he had been at farewell party for a friend who was moving back to his hometown for good. Apparently, the party got a bit out of hand and they ended up playing cards and drinking until 4 a.m. By the time the passenger checked his phone, it was dead and he couldn't call anyone for a ride. He wanted to sober up a bit before heading back home, so he decided to sleep over at his friend's place. He crashed at around 4 a.m. and woke up again at 8 a.m. So that's when he requested an Uber, and I happened to be the lucky driver who picked him up. As soon as he got in, I greeted him with a friendly good morning and I asked for his name to confirm and then where he was headed. As we started driving, I asked how he was doing. His response was priceless. "I'm a dead man." I asked him, "What happened?" And he told me the whole story about the party and his wife waiting for him at home. But here's the kicker. When he checked his phone, he had 38 missed calls from his wife. I couldn't help but laugh and say, "Yes, you're a dead man." As we drove to his destination, I found out that his wife was actually born in my home country, which was a pretty cool coincidence. When I dropped him off, his wife was waiting for him at the gate. And let me tell you, she was pretty and young. I gave him a piece of advice not to leave his wife at night, especially since she's so lovely. And then he called his wife over and told her to talk to me in my mother tongue. He mentioned that his wife was born in my home country and lived there until she was 5 years old. It was a nice gesture, and I think he was trying to use me as a bit of a butter to ease the tension with his wife. I'm glad I could help diffuse the situation a bit. And that's the story of my passenger who had a bit of a wild night. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun stories about my Uber adventures. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.